Hi, I'm Reza from Visual Components. You might know that we introduced Process Modeling Library with Visual Components version 4.2. Now in this short video we will show a palletizing layout created once by using the legendary Works library and then creating exactly the same layout with Process Modeling Components. So if you want to know more about Works library or process modeling, see more tutorials in our academy at academy.visualcomponents.com. And to watch this video or any other video in our academy with a slower or faster speed, please go to the gear button in right down corner of this video and change the playback speed. And as we always say, simulate before it's late. Enjoy this tutorial and bye for now.